So we're back in Montrose after 4 months. Should find out pretty quick if the Isuzu is still here. Had a hell of a time getting out here. Our flight was delayed and we missed our connecting flight, so what are we, 4 hours late? 5 hours late?
4 hours late.
4 hours? Oh, and there she is.
Still looking beautiful.
So we'll check for mice first. Pop the hood and see if there's any nests, and then we'll see if we can get it started. Tires are all pumped up yet.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
It's all in one piece.
Just kind of looking at some stuff in there, Clausen, that's all.
Is your door open? There's even power yet. Doesn't even stink.
No, not at all. Oh, and I forgot I had here. Clausen, I got lucky.
Nothing's chewed up. Awesome, looks pretty good.
Although, you got something going on right here.
Beehive?
Yeah. It's in that fender.
And we'll check that real quick while we got the hood open. It's probably low. Yeah, we must have filled it up when we dropped it off. Alright, film this. See if it starts.
On fire or?
Either way. Alright, sitting for 4 months.
It's alive! Like you just shut it off yesterday. Never. It started. Yeah, come here.
Oh yeah. Alright, we'll get some bee spray at Walmart.
Yeah.
We got camp all set up. We're in Ridgeway State Park, so it's pretty central to everything. Only about 20 minutes away from the storage facility and 20 minutes away from the trails. So the VX ran great, popped right off, even after sitting out here for 4 months. We brought it out at the end of April and parked it, and haven't laid eyes on it since, so pretty happy when it just fired right up. The only thing we really had trouble with was the driver's side window crapped out, which is really common with these Isuzus. They always have window regulator problems and motor problems. So I pulled the door panel apart, and it's actually the motor's bad. It's getting voltage, it's not moving, so I might just take the window off the track tomorrow when we're out on the trails, just so I can have the window down. Otherwise, not the ideal tires and rims for this. Previous owner put these on. That wouldn't be my first choice. They're 18-inch rims. And they're 265/65s, so I think they're about 32s, 33s. But there's not much sidewall because the rims are too big, so you can't air down that much. Also, I left the rear hitch on. Kind of screws up the departure angle, but I wanted some extra protection for the gas tank. And also it's my only recovery point on this thing right now, just in case we need it. I might have to pull that off later. Got my roto packs on there. I also have a water tank on there that I built a while ago that might be tossed this trip. Otherwise, that's all for now.